Suppose we have a question like this. It is asked to find whether the number 547 is prime or not. Is prime or not. How do we find this problem? Now we should go step by step. My first step for solving this problem is that we find by trial that the number is not divisible by any of the primes. Okay, let me write also. This is kind of a thing which we have to do a bit of trial and error method. We find by trial that the number is not divisible by any of the prime number by any of the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Okay, this is absolutely by trial and error method. If we check whether this number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, all these numbers, we'll see that it is not divisible. Okay, and why do we stop at 29? Why don't we go to further checking the other prime factors? Because it is not necessary to try other primes. Why is that? Now it is not necessary to try other primes. Because this number 547, if I divide by 29, what do I get? The quotient I get is less than 29. So this gives a quotient which is less than 29. Okay, let me write quotient less than 29. The quotient would be less than 29 and 547 would be divisible by the quotient. So what can I say? So I can say, so if 547 were divisible by a prime greater than 29, by a prime greater than 29, the quotient would be less than 29. The quotient would be less than 29. And 547 would be divisible by the quotient, and 547 would be divisible by the quotient, that is by a number less than 29. That is by a number less than 29, which we know is not the case, which we know is not the case. That means this the further thing which happens, it doesn't happen with the number 547, and we can say that 547 is a prime number. Five 47 is a prime number.